Hi, this is Vishnu. I'm a mom of 14-month-old baby boy. I just wanted to share the sweetest moment with you, especially to all the moms who feel that the motherhood is too exhausting. That includes me as well. So just wanted to share this. This was around 6 months back when my baby was around 8 months and he was crawling at that time. There was a woman in my neighborhood and she often visits my baby regularly, and she was a friend of mine, and she's 70-year-old and she has two sons who live far away and she lives alone here. So she visits my home often, and at that time we had a chat where she told this it is very tough, Kanna. How are you handling all this? Yes, until he turns 4 years, it will be very tough for you. You have to be all time with him, and you have to share, like you have to always keep an eye on him. This is going to be tough. And she was telling, she also added, so once he starts school, you will be little free, like that she was telling. And I replied, yeah auntie, but think about it. At that time, after that, from LKG to 12th standard, I have to pack lunch for him, and that will be a very big task. I have to come up with daily lunch ideas, so it is very tiring. Thinking about itself, I'm getting tiring, I was saying. And she told, yeah, that's true, Kanna, but think about it this way. These 12 years, maybe 15 years, I would say, these are the only time you are going to be with him. And after that, he will go to college, he will go to a job, and he will be working like far away or anywhere. And he will get busy, his life will get busy, and he will get multiple people, like nothing like now. So yeah, he will be very busy, and then he gets married, and yeah, he will love you the same way. But think about it like this: these are the only days you will truly have him with you, and you will get all of his love only to you. At that time I was thinking, yeah, that's true actually. Thinking about it now, I feel very, how to say, very, it's like heart wrenching. Like now the 17 years feels so small, right? So to all the moms, I'm saying, please cherish your time with your little ones now itself. So however hard it might be, but it's going to be very hard. Like when you learn that they need some privacy and all after some years. So this is the thing. This is the right time. You will be always with them, and you will be their whole world. So yeah,